to go.
For the first DIY, all you're going to need is a glass jar, some pearls. I had this left over from my DIY, which I was transforming some jeans I had, and a regular basic ass candle that you can find. This was literally the cheapest at the store. I think I got a pack of like 6 for $1. So yeah, these are very affordable. Since I don't have that many pearls and I don't think they'll be able to hold my candle up, I'm going to glue some A6000 glue to the bottom of this candle. I'm going to take my jar and I'm going to place my candle right in the middle. So about there. Hold it for a few seconds and let it be. Why is that crooked? Lord. Okay, that's better-ish. Having done that, I think that's kind of in the center, hopefully. I don't know. I think that's okay. No one cares anyway if it's in the center. All that matters is that it's standing upright. Now I'm going to leave this to dry for about 5 minutes and then come back and we're gonna finish this. So yeah, it's been 5 long minutes. Now I'm just going to take my pearls and I'm going to pour them into my glass, and I'm gonna be careful doing this because I don't want them spilling everywhere. So now I'm just gonna whoosh the pearls around. Is that a word? Whoosh them around. I'm going to toss them around just to get them all even. And as you can see, since my candle is glued down, it stays in place. If you have more pearls, then you definitely could skip the part where you glue it down. But I like this, and that's it. Is that straight? It's not. So I'm just gonna move that a bit. Okay. It doesn't have to be the straightest candle, we can agree on that. So after you've done that, that is it. This is so simple, and I think if you have more of these, like 2, it's going to look so cute. I only have this one and I still love it, but if you can do more, I definitely do recommend that. I think it looks better when there are more. Moving on to the next DIY. This one is so simple. I kid you not, it's the easiest thing ever. All you need is some glass jars. I use this kind to store my sugar and my salt, but I picked up a few extra ones so that I could do this DIY. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the lid because that doesn't look nice with the plastic. As you can see, this plastic rim isn't exactly working out, so I'm just going to put this aside. And what you're left with is this beautiful jars that kind of look like mason jars but on a budget. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some icing sugar. I am using caster sugar. Actually, this is what I had lying around when I attempted to bake, and that didn't go so well. So I just happened to have a packet of caster sugar laying around. The idea is to create something that looks like snow, kind of, sort of, I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to open this up. Having opened my sugar, I'm going to pour this into the jars. Ooh, it's a lot of sugar. I need to fill out both, so I'm just going to do like half, kind of. Okay. As you can see, this looks like snow, so I'm just gonna make it even. Just shake it around, shake it up a bit. This has more. But how beautiful are they? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some tea light candles. So these are the candles I'm using. They are tea light candles I picked up at Carrefour. They have this cute ribbon, which is so cute, and I think I'm going to use on one of the jars. And they have this beautiful golden color, which I think is very Christmassy and very cute. So I'm just going to open this up, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick them inside into my snow. So I'm just gonna plop them in and make sure they're kind of in there. Once you've done that, this is what you're left having, and I think it's such a simple DIY that could add a lot of pizzazz to your decor this Christmas season.
And
Hello. So for this next DIY, you need a wall, and I just have this beautiful blank wall. I am eating here as well. Anyway, I have this blank wall, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to make sort of a Christmas tree shape. I hope you guys can see because I have tried. So yeah, let's do this. So I've just cut off a bit of yarn, and it's quite long. I'm going to use this to help me outline the shape of my tree, and I'm also using this white tape. I do live in a rental apartment, and I don't want any problems when I'm moving out from damaging the walls or anything. Okay, so now I'm going to take this bit of yarn and I'm going to stick it to the wall. As you can see, I have this triangular shape, and we're just going to fill this with our fairy lights, and you're basically done. So I'm going to use the same tape to tape my fairy lights. I got them from eBay. I'm going to link them down below in case you want to get some for yourself. Anyway, these are my lights. They're so cute. I love fairy lights, guys. I am obsessed. So what I'm going to do is the battery pack is going to be at the bottom, and I'm just gonna leave it there. Then I'm just gonna do a zigzag kind of shape. That's the best way to explain this. That way you have kind of a Christmas tree, kind of working out. I don't know, we're gonna see if this will work out. So yeah. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Once you've taped down your Christmas tree, you just take out the yarn because its purpose is finished. Since we've no place to go,